Hello everyone, this is Shayan Siddiqui with you, an expert business and economics lecturer, an educationalist and a professional corporate trainer. Welcome to my channel. In this short lecture, I'm going to discuss with you paternalistic leadership style. The lecture is going to be in English language. So without further delay, here we go. Welcome back, and here is the topic: paternalistic leadership style. The word paternalistic came from the word parent, and the roots of this word parent are father. Are you getting my point? So like fatherly style of leadership, when a leader starts considering his employees, team members as his family. Are you getting my point? That is called paternalistic leadership style. This is one of the most successful leadership styles, but it's not appropriate everywhere. We are going to discuss in details. All right, paternalistic leadership style. Leaders treat their employees as their family members. What does it mean by? They try to identify the problems their team members are dealing with, whether they are the personal problems, family problems, or whatever, stress or anything. So through the consultation process, they act in the best interest of their subordinates or the team members because they do a proper consultation. I have worked in this type of organization where the vice president was an amazing guy. He used to treat the employees as his family members. He used to do a lot of consultation with us. I didn't realize at that time because I was at the beginning of my career, but now I remember, and now I say that guy was amazing. He was the vice president of that company. Now I say he was an amazing guy. Okay, he used to find out, okay, which employee is looking stressful? Is he having any problem that I can solve? So basically, paternalistic leadership style, the leader acts in a fatherly manner, okay, to guide and protect the worker. I have conducted a few workshops and attended uncountable number of workshops. In every workshop which I conduct, I say the same sentence, and I say, if the leader fails to give this feel to his subordinates or the team members, that go do the work. In case if you make mistakes, that's okay, perfectly fine. I am sitting here to protect you. And if the employees have a feel that a person like a father is there to take care for us, to save us in case we make mistake, that organization is going to be an amazing organization. But if the employees or the workers have this feel that in case if we make a mistake, man, the manager or the leader is going to open and look for the formal procedures. Okay, you are going to get the warning letter because of breaching the company's policy and something like that. They are not going to give the best of them. Are you getting my point? And that leader is failed. He's not a leader because he failed to give this feel of protection to his team. So paternalistic leadership style is an outstanding leadership style, but it doesn't work always. Why? Because not everybody allows any stranger, because you as a manager or the leader is a stranger actually. Not everybody allows anyone to look in his personal life. Are you getting my point? Everybody doesn't feel comfortable to share their personal feelings and problems and allow someone to discuss his personal issues and something. Not everyone. But a few people do allow it. And in case if the leader is succeeded in winning the trust of his team, he is going to make an impact. He is going to make a change. People will have a feel, at least someone is there to listen to us. I can confidently go to him and discuss my issues and problems. Are you getting my point? So in case if the leader adopts a paternalistic leadership style, workers will have a feel that someone is there to take care of them. So this leadership style is highly beneficial for the organizations or for anyone. But for that, someone has to establish this relationship with the team. And in case once only you lose the trust, nobody's going to trust you. If, for example, God forbid, if like by mistake, even if you disclose or you share someone's personal secret with anyone else, you're going to lose the trust forever. So this is quite sensitive as well. This leadership style is quite sensitive as well. So this was my short lecture on paternalistic leadership style. I hope you have understood this short topic, paternalistic leadership style. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I request you to please do so. If you have already done it, thank you so much, but please refer my channel to others so that they can also benefit from my lectures on marketing, management, economics, and so on. Thank you so much for watching.